Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the time to the screen timeout here at the Google Pixel 9a. For that we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, then you have obviously the symbol for the settings. And now you need to go to the point display and touch. And here you will find the point screen timeout. And by default it's 30 seconds. So if you want to increase it, do it at maximum at 1 minute because the screen is taking here the most energy at the phone. And what I can recommend to you as well if you read a lot is if you enable this one here, screen attention, because the cam is detecting your face and sees if your eyes are on the screen or not. So then you can enable this feature here as well, and this saves energy. So yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.